That's going to be damning for his credibility, don't you think? Let's find out together if that's true. Here we go.
That motherfucker, it's a man's rifle. Oh, that's just so sick.
I'm just going to stop it right there just for 1 second, because I just want to comment on how flawless this guy's technique is when he's shooting this rifle without any help from Andrew. It looks like he has a very clear look down the barrel, and he's probably perfectly lining up his iron sights, and he knows exactly where that bullet's going.